Hello my dear students, in this video we'll continue with file pointers and their manipulation. In C++, input output operations are associated with the two file pointers called get pointer and put pointer. Get pointer is associated with the ifstream class and put pointer is associated with the ofstream class. And here you can see there are three modes under which we can open a file: read only mode, write only mode and append mode. When we open a file in read only mode, then the get pointer will move to the beginning of the file, so that is 0th byte of the file. And when we open a file in write only mode, then the put pointer will move to the beginning of the file, that is 0th byte of the file. And in some situation it is required to add some text to the already existing text in a file. So in such a situation we are going to use append mode. But in case of a write only mode, if there are any text present in a file, then those text will get erased and the pointer will be moved to the 0th byte. Now, in order to perform all these operations, we have certain member functions which performs certain operations. Here, seek G, seek P, tell G and tell P. So let us continue with the first one, that is seek G. Here, this get pointer moves to the particular position specified from the 0th byte. Let us take syntax: seek G long, seek G offset comma seek directory. So let us continue with example here. So seek directory is a constant, iOS beginning offset specified from the beginning of the file, iOS current offset specified from the current position of the get pointer, iOS end offset specified from the end of the file. Let us take examples here. inf.seekg20. So this moves the get pointer to the 20th byte from the beginning of the file. INF is the object of the input file stream class, that is ifstream class. So let us continue with the next example. inf.seekg0, iOS scope resolution operator beginning. So this indicates we are going to move the get pointer to the 0th byte from the beginning of the file. inf.seekg20, iOS scope resolution operator beginning. So here we are moving the get pointer from 0th byte to 20th byte from the beginning. The next example is inf.seekg20, iOS scope resolution operator end. So this indicates we are moving the get pointer from 0th byte to 20th byte from the end, that is from the end of the file. Now let us continue with seek P. So here it is a put pointer that moves from the 0th byte to the specified position. So let us take syntax here. Seek P long. Long is what? Long is a integer number that specifies the number of bytes. Next, seek P offset comma seek directory. So here offset is a long type of data and seek directory is the constants. So that is beginning, current location and end of the file. So let us continue with the same constants and the same meaning as that of the seek G function. Next we'll continue with example. INF is the object dot seek P20. So we are moving the put pointer to the 20th byte from the beginning of the file. INF dot seek P0, iOS scope resolution operator beginning. This indicates that we are moving the put pointer to the 0th byte from the beginning. So inf.seek P20, iOS scope resolution operator beginning. This indicates we are moving the put pointer from the beginning to the 20th byte. Next, inf.seek P20, iOS scope resolution operator end means what? We are moving the put pointer from the end, from end to 20th byte. Next we'll continue with tell G member function. So this member function will return the position of the get pointer in a file. Here you can take example. int position is a normal variable. Position is equal to fin.telg. So fin is what? It is a object of ifstream class. Dot telg. So this returns the integer value. So that returns the cursor position in the file. Next we'll move on to tellp member function. So here it is a put pointer that returns its position. Example, int position is equal to fout.tellp. So fout.tellp returns the integer value, that is the position of the pointer in a file. So let us take one programming example so that we can understand how exactly tellg and tellp works. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. As you can see here, the program that reads the content present in the file in the last video. Now we are going to write here how to get the position of the pointer. So that is get pointer. So let us write here, we are going to write integer position is the variable equal to fin dot tell g. So this is going to return the integer value, so where the cursor is present. Now we are going to write here as cout the position of the get pointer is, and here it is stored in the position variable. Now we'll compile this program. Click on compile, success, there is no error, and click on now run, and here you can see hi there, the position of the get pointer is 9. Why? Because h is present at 0th position, I is at 1, and blank space 2, t 3, h 4, e 5, r 6, e 7, exclamation mark 8, and then the cursor is present, so that is on the 9th position. Now let us move on to the basic operation on binary file in C++. So here there are 5 basic operations that we can perform on binary file. The first one is searching, second one is appending data, and the third one is inserting data in sorted files, and the fourth one is deleting a record, and the fifth one is modifying data. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.